Welcome to VibblyToons! Fun learning for everyone!
Hi friends, I'm Tinu and this is Sunny. Let's hear animal sounds and move like animals.
The dog says woof woof. Dogs like to run and play. The cow says moo. Cows walk slowly. The bird says chirp chirp. Birds fly in the sky. The cat says meow. Cats like to jump.
The elephant says brrr. Elephants walk slowly and strongly.
The frogs say ribbit. Frogs love to hop. The lion says roar. Lions stretch and walk proudly. The snake says hiss. Snakes slither on the ground. Great job! Keep listening, moving, and learning with VibblyToons!